Good morning, YouTube family. I hope everybody is well. We are going to do the videos starting from today. We'll come back to the Lotto Code Breaker YouTube channel where we help each other with the Lotto numbers. Okay. All right. What do we have for today? Looking quickly on the odd and the odd number strategy, right? The odd number strategy. So I'm going to just do that one on a quick explanation, right? We have got 3 which repeated. Therefore, we have got 5, right? Remember the odd number strategy. It's whereby you look at an odd number, the number that you cannot divide by 2, but you add that number by 2 or you subtract that number by 2. So therefore 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Then the 3 repeated, obviously, therefore they were going to bring 5. That's how the odd number strategy works. Like there is a 3 plus minus 2 equals to 1, 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 3 plus 2 equals to 5, 5 plus 2 equals to 7, something like that. That's exactly what I'm saying to you. Okay, like for example, we have got 17 plus 2, we have minus 2, we have got 15. We have got 15. So meaning 15 is owing us 15 minus 2, which is 13. 17 is owing us 17 plus 2, which is 19. You understand? Therefore, we have got 27 here, 27 here. 27 plus 2 equals to 25. 27 minus 2 equals to 25. 25 plus 2 equals to 27. 27 plus 2 equals to 29. Okay, these are all numbers that are missing. Then the other one that is missing as well is we have got 49. Therefore, we have got a chance of 47. 49 minus 2, there is a chance of 47. You see here, we've got 37 plus 2 equals to 39. 37 plus 2 equals to 39, which is coming from this one. 35 plus 2 equals to 37. Okay, so I've given you an explanation on that, and the numbers that I'm expecting on that explanation, I'm expecting 29 to play with 47. Yes, 29 to play with 47. That's a pair that I'm expecting from that strategy. Okay, then what's the other one? Okay, that one I'm not going to explain because I did not pull the other chart to come so that I can show you. The one I'm going to explain is going to be this one. This is the numerical order. This is the draw order, numerical order, and this is the draw order. Right. So in the numerical order, 49 played as 60 ball. But in the draw order, 49 played again as 60 ball. You understand what I'm saying, right? All right. So let me go back. I want to look at these two numbers, right? On this lunchtime draw, we've got 20 and 37. They are sitting on position 4 and position 5. This is draw order. Okay, I'm going to do the numerical order of that. I can't because I have locked the network. I've locked the network. But okay, anyway, the thing is, when I do numerical order, these two numbers, they are sitting on the same position, right? They are sitting on the same position. They do not change. Whether it's you do in draw order or you do in numerical order. What am I trying to say here? Okay, what I'm saying is 20 and bonus 31. 31 minus 20 equals to 11. 27 and bonus 31. 31 minus 7 equals to 4. Okay, that's all I'm trying to say. So now we have got 49 and 3, which is sitting on the same position. It's not changing. So 49 minus 3 is 46. So one was going to be having a banker 46. Then 49 plus 3 equals to 52. Put them as singles. You have got 5 and 2 that have played. Okay, so it's normally happening on the lunchtime draw to bring numbers for tea time. It happens on lunch to bring numbers on tea time. Okay, so here we are. Lunch to bring two numbers on tea. So watch out on the results for lunch and check if we have got numbers that are sitting on the same position. Okay, all right, that's done. Let me now give you my next numbers that I have. I think I'm gonna need the internet. I'm sorry about that. I think I'm gonna need it. Okay, all right, I'm gonna start with the draw order. I think I've got a number there. Our favorite banker of the day. Okay, we've got 48. Sorry, we've got 18 and 31. Okay, 31 plus 18 equals to 49. 3 and 32. 32 plus 3 equals to 35. We've got 8 and 3. 8 minus 3 equals to 5. We've got 48 and 23. 48 minus 23 equals to 25. So banker for today, 100% banker for today is 25. Okay, it's 25 for lunch. All right. Now I am going to do the numerical order because I've got the data on. Okay, go back to numerical order. Now it's in numerical order. You can see what I was saying on these two numbers. They did not change. Okay, then there is a strategy that we need to have to monitor the numbers, right? For example, I've been giving you that 8 and 4, they always go together. 8 and 4, they always go together. 8 and 4, they play together. 8 plays, 4 will follow. 8 plays, 4 will follow. Then 1, if you have got our date and time chart, 1 always plays with numbers that are on that chart. It always plays with numbers that are on that chart because it's 1, 37, 25, 49, There's another one that is missing as well, which is 13. Yeah, the only one which is now missing is 13, because 13 is also 1 o'clock in the afternoon, right? So it's now 13 that is missing. Okay, so we need that strategy. It needs somebody to go back to history. You go to history and look in history and see that numbers, how do they flow, right? Say if a number drops today, how is it dropping? It drops with which numbers? It's called following the number strategy. Following the number strategy. So what happens is, how am I? Okay, now I think I've reached the end. So what happens is the number is followed by another number. It's always a norm that there are numbers that are following each other. So that strategy, it needs somebody to go into history. Remember what I said, that the missing number that is missing on that other one that I did, the 137, 125, and 39, and 49, it's 13. I wanted to show you something. See, we have got 49, 49 playing here. It's playing alone. It's playing alone, and then 49 bonuses, right? When 49 bonuses, it comes back again and plays on top here. Now it plays with 25. When it plays with 25, one follows and one plays alone. But the number that follows as a bonus is 13. 1 o'clock in the morning, 1300 hours in the afternoon. So 13 and 1, when it's on the date and time, it's one number. They are on the same line. You understand? So there is 37, there is 49. That's exactly what I'm just trying to say, Kuti. Numbers flow, right? Look at what is happening here. I have said earlier, 4 and 8, they go together, right? There is bonus 4, there is single 4, there is bonus 8. Those numbers, they go together. Okay, they go together. So if we say 49 played as an odd number, subtract 1, subtract 2, then 47 is playing. Okay, so I will do a separate video for all that, so that we can understand it properly. Okay, so now let me do the prediction for today. Okay, I've seen something that is happening with the date. The date is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 still plays there. The date here is 8. 8 plus or minus 2, it must give us a 10 or a 6. Nothing came. The date is 9. 9 plus or minus 2, we have got a banker, 11. The date is 10. 10 plus or minus 2, we have got a banker, 8. So today I am banking with 12, right? I'm banking with 12, and the day today is 11. So I'm banking with 12, 9, and 13. These are my bankers for the day. They are coming from the date. 3 number banker coming from the date. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next one. There is this one that has been troubling me. Okay. These first two numbers, add them together, they give you a 16, which was splitted, right? Then they skip this line and then they go to the next one. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Okay. Where is the other one? 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Okay. 4 plus 5 equals to 9, which came as a bonus. Okay. Then the 5 and 3 is skipped. We go to the next. 3 minus 1 or 3 plus 1 equals to 4 and 2. Two numbers came from that strategy, right? Here we have got 2 plus 1 came as a bonus. Okay, so we go to the next one. 8 plus or minus 6 plus or minus 2, we get a banker 6 and 10. Okay, what's the next one? Okay, the next one is starting from here. It's only on lunch. This is a special number for lunch. It's only happening on lunch. Okay, 31 minus 4 equals to 7. 3 and 25. Is that so? No. It's 3 and 28. Sorry. 3 and 28. So 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 equals to 31, which came as a bonus. Okay. We've got 2 and 11. That's all right. No. 2 and 20. Sorry, I'm just making a mistake with the third number there. Okay. So 20 plus 2 equals to 22. We've got 2 and 16. All right. So 16 plus or minus 2, it will give us 18 and 14. Right. So if you have got numbers that you need to spin, you have to spin those numbers. Okay. Watch out for the numbers that are sitting on the hot section. Watch out for the numbers that are sitting on the hot section. I'm thinking that on the hot section, these are the numbers. 22 played here. 35 played. 220 plus the code number 11. 3 numbers came from that. 2 and 20, they are all sitting on Wharton codes, the numbers that I'm circling here. There is 35, which played, and we've got 20. We've got a 2, which played with 42. 42 is sitting on code numbers. Okay, so don't sleep on the code number section. The number that is going to be making money as well, 28, right? 28. That number is going to be one of the hottest numbers, so it will keep on playing until it has outshined 220 and 35. Yes, it's going to be there as well. And also watch out for 49. 49 is one of the numbers that is going to be on the hot section as well. All right, okay, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye bye.